Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to turn off or on the traction control, or the VDC, how Nissan calls it, vehicle dynamic control. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, before I show you this, I just want to add that the traction control is a very important safety feature on your vehicle, and you should only turn it off temporarily in case you get stuck in mud or snow or things like that, to get back on the road. Once you're back on the road, make sure to turn it back on. Okay, now to access these settings, you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So this is left, right, and the OK button in the middle, and you can turn this actually like a scroll up or down to also go through the menu options. Now I will squeeze my phone in there so you can better see what I'm doing. Now keep pressing the right button until you reach settings and press OK. And then the first option is VDC Setting. You will press OK again, and here is where you can turn it off. If I press OK one more time, this will gray out and the VDC will be off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.